Oh my God, what if they don't answer? We gotta call again.
Hello?
Hey, is this... What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. We are here at Liquefied's open house. We are barbecuing. We got Mike Hums in the building. We got Andy cooking up. And in this video, we are going to be calling and announcing the winner of the 2025 Alliance Delta ML206. The sweepstakes is officially over, and we're going to be calling somebody in this video, and they're going to be getting it absolutely free. Now, if you're just tuning in and you're wondering, how the heck did somebody get an Alliance Delta ML206? Well, if you guys don't know, we're also the owners of Liquefied, which is an enzyme and bacteria-based toilet treatment. So what that means is it's a toilet treatment that goes into your holding tank. It's going to liquefy your waste, clean your sensors, and break down the poo pyramid. We started a campaign 6 months ago when people went to liquefiedrv.com/sweepstakes, and you guys can go there now as well and sign up for our newsletter so you know the next time we do an awesome giveaway. You got 5 free entries for this free RV giveaway. Then when you bought Liquefied through our website, you got bonus entries for the giveaway. And in this video, in just a minute, we're going to be calling the winner of the sweepstakes. This has definitely been awesome. We're here in Elkhart, Indiana, and we got ice cream and barbecue, and we got a whole bunch of people here for the big announcement winner. So without further ado, let's call to see who the winner is. No, it's working. Hit refresh. Pretty sure it's on.
Yeah. That is okay.
Now we're live. What's going on, everyone? Let's give a big round of applause. We are here at our Liquefied headquarters, and we got a nice little open house going on here. We got people, we got food and everything. And in this video right now, we're gonna cut to the chase, and we are going to announce the winner of the free RV giveaway. So if you guys don't know, we are Liquefied, which is the best RV toilet tank treatment in the industry. And what we did, what makes our product special, this isn't a chemical. This is made with enzymes and bacteria. So it liquefies your waste, cleans your sensors, and break down the poo pyramid. Will, tell everybody about the free RV giveaway.
So the free RV giveaway we launched at the beginning of this year, and we're super excited. We have an Alliance Delta, and basically there are multiple ways to enter to win, but it's been running all year. And today's the day where we're finally giving it away and making the announcement.
Yeah, and if you did not get to enter the sweepstakes, make sure you go to liquefiedrv.com/sweepstakes and sign up for the newsletter, because odds are we're going to be doing this again, because this was a lot of fun. And I have the winner who is going to win a free Alliance Delta. So with that said, we're going to call him right now.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I see the name. I was really scared that I would know the person. Okay, so first and foremost, before we call the winner, we're gonna have Will call the winner. So dial that phone number, Will.
You want to dial it?
Yeah, dial it. Just don't hit send yet.
Okay.
If you're from Ohio, make sure you stay by your phone. And then put it on speaker. So,
Want to call now?
not yet. So one thing I want to say is, Misha, how many entrants did we have?
We had just under 25,000 people enter the giveaway.
Wow, that's awesome. And we did ChatGPT, and there was multiple ways to enter, multiple ways to get entries and everything, and bonus points. And in total, your odds of winning, according to ChatGPT, and I don't think this is accurate, but your odds of winning was 1 in 2,086,194. So there's a 1 in 3 million shot of winning.
Yeah.
Wow.
But
for
not,
each entry.
For each entry given.
yeah.
Yeah, so really give the person a call.
You ready? You want me to call
Yeah.
my phone?
Yeah, don't say their name.
Okay, you're
Yep.
talking them.
Okay? Let me get the cameras. Put it on speaker, yeah. Put it right over the thing. Oh my God, what if they don't answer? We gotta call again.
Hello?
Hey, is this Eric?
Yes?
Hey, this is Matt from Matt's RV Reviews and Liquefied. How's it going?
You've got to be kidding me.
Eric, do you know why we're calling you, Eric?
I sure do.
You won the 2025 Alliance Delta ML206!
I don't even know what to say right now.
Oh, well, say thank you. One, Sean, our CPA's over here. He's about to have a heart attack.
Yeah, speechless.
Did you see the email this morning that it was somebody from Ohio or no?
Yes, I did.
Did you? Oh man, that's so exciting.
There's just no way. We never win anything.
Well, you just won. So we're gonna give you a call in a little bit and figure out. I think legally we have to get it to you, or I think you can come and get it, but you can't spend any money. So we're gonna talk to like the lawyers and stuff and like maybe reimburse you, because Ohio like works out real great and you can like come here and pick it up or something fun.
Yeah, and we're literally right off the turnpike, so it's really
amazing. Yeah, we're gonna figure it out because we don't want to get in trouble, but we just want to say congratulations. What type of RV do you have now?
We're currently in a 2015 Sport Track.
Nice. Well, this one might be a little bit smaller, but maybe you can go to the dealership and trade both in for something new, or you just have two RVs. So congratulations.
Never have too many, right?
Yeah, exactly. All right, well, we got to go back to this party, but Eric from Ohio, congratulations. Yeah. Let's give him a big round of applause. All right, bye. We'll talk to you soon.
Thanks, Matt.
All right, guys. Well, that's it. We're going to cut this video real short. If you're watching this video replay, we're going to take a tour of Eric's new RV. And if you guys are watching live, let's see. Oh, man, there's a lot of comments. Everybody's saying congratulations to Eric. So, guys, listen. This is a real RV and a real sweepstakes. And we just thank everybody for entering. This is Sean, our other business partner. Sean, what do you want to say to America? Everybody who participated, who watched, who entered. And again, even people... Oh, somebody. Well, thanks for buying Liquefied, but you're not in the entry. But what do you want to say to everybody who just participated in this awesome sweepstakes?
Yeah, no, thank you everybody for your support, first and foremost. The team here worked diligently and very hard to put this together. And like Matt said, who knows, this might be something we do in the future, because it was a ton of fun. And that phone call was worth everything right there.
Right. Well, we got the Coachman Class A rep over here. If we want a Coachman Encore coming up. So, and then anything else, Sean?
No, that's it. Yeah.
We'll wrap up this video.
Yeah, guys. Thank you all so much.
Camera a little bit.
Sorry. Thank you all so much. Good.
Sorry, right there.
Right here.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you all so much for all your support, and again, thank you to the awesome Liquefied team. None of this could have been done without any of you, so thank you all so much.
Yep, and again, to wrap it all up, Eric Cook from Ohio, one more time, congratulations. We will talk to you and get you your new RV. All right, bye everyone.
See ya.
End stream. All right, so we just wrapped up the open house, and I want to say congratulations again to the winner. And let's take a tour. This, Eric, if you're watching, this is your 2025 Alliance Delta ML206. We're gonna go inside and take a look at it. Freaking amazing. I'm getting goosebumps. I just watched the open house is over now, and right before I filmed this, I just watched the video replay, and I got goosebumps watching it. It was absolutely crazy. Eric, you better buy more Liquefied. I better never see Unique in your camper, ever. All right. This is yours. Unreal. Congratulations, sincerely. Guys, that's it. Thank you again to everybody to enter the free RV sweepstakes. Make sure you guys go to liquefiedrv.com/sweepstakes and type in enter our newsletter, because after we're done crunching the numbers to figure out if this was worth it or not, we're definite. I think, and it's not a decision solely based off of me, but I'm pretty confident that this was a lot of fun, and we're gonna be doing something like this again. Thank you to everybody who helped support our business, Liquefied RV. Make sure you guys tune in tonight for another RV review.